screaming, the truck won't start. My roof's got holes and I broke my heart. The bar tab's climbing, my boots are warm, but I strut like a king through every storm. Boss man shouting, says I'm late. The rent's due soon and I tempt my fate. But I don't sweat, I just shift and grin, 'cause trouble don't scare a man born to win. My belt buckle's bigger than my problems. It shines like chrome when the world wants to rob me. Life's got trouble, sure as shooting, but my buckle's so big I can barely keep scooting. When the weight gets heavy and the bills pile up, I just puff out my chest and tighten it up. She left last week, took the dog and chair, said she's tired of my laid-back stare. I told her, darling, I'll be fine. This buckle's got more steel than your goodbye line. Been knocked down more times than I can count, but I get back up with a bigger amount of grit, spit, and boot scuff grace. That buckle leads like a steel plate face. My belt buckle's bigger than my problems. A brass-plated shield when the world tries to clock me. Life gets loud, life gets mean, but I walk like a legend in a Wrangler scene. So bring on the mess, bring on the fight. I'll shine through it all like a neon light. It's got eagles, stars, and flames engraved. I've worn it through storms and I still ain't swayed. Some folks got luck, some folks got charm. I got a buckle and a bare right arm. Yeah, I walk tall, don't need to be saved. With this buckle leading, I've already paid. So if you're hurting and you feel real small, get a buckle so big it don't care at all.